not. But hello, everybody. My name is Matt Parada with infraAIR, and today we're going to be talking about fresh air UV. The topic is myth busting UV and HVAC pathways. I've got myself and Wade Hastings on the line. Wade is our business development rep in Manitoba, Saskatchewan. So I have him joining us today just to add some extra ammunition to the call here. So Wade, hello. Just give yourself a quick introduction to everybody.
Hi, everybody. Wade Hastings, been with the company for about 6 years. I come from the HVAC industry, journeyman Red Seal. Bring a lot of technical knowledge to the team. And Matt is a great presenter. So looking forward to this.
All right, guys. Well, really appreciate everybody's time. I hope you had an amazing holiday and getting into the new year here. So we're going to talk about something really relevant, UV and the HVAC pathway. This is something that is coming up very frequently in conversations. It's very relevant to everybody, I'm sure, on the call today. So without further ado, we're going to get into the presentation. And I wanted to just give you guys some background on who we are as a company. So we're representing Fresh Air UV today, but our company, infraAIR, is a mechanical rep agency, and we were founded in 1992. We've been around for a very long time. Our name was previously infraStruct, so we are a division of infraStruct, and now solely focused on HVAC and indoor air quality products. So our team spans across Canada. We're a Canada-only company, and we've got sales reps across the board from Vancouver all the way to Fredericton on the far east coast. So all of our sales guys are Aire members. As Wade mentioned, he's a journeyman. So we've got quite a different set of skill sets on the team here to offer. Our slogan is better buildings for a better tomorrow. So when we look at whether it's a residential home or a commercial building, we have multiple options from our product line that could fit projects or whatever you're working on. In terms of what we have to offer overall from infraAIR, we have IAQ upgrades, we have ventilation essentials, we have flow controls. So I think you've seen a couple of our other presentations, maybe on Ecobee in the past, but we have a lot more to our line card. So I'm just going to flash that here. I'll send this out to everybody so you guys know what we have under our line card at the end, but I won't spend any more time on that. So today's presentation is about Fresh Air UV. These guys are located in Jupiter, Florida in the USA. They've been a global leader in the residential healthcare space, commercial indoor air quality space for many, many years, and they've just built a brand new 30,000 square foot facility. So in terms of getting product, we now are partnered with Diversitech or Alltemp in Canada. So from a perspective of getting products into distribution, into the end user's hands, we've actually partnered now with a local distributor, and then now our relationship with infraAIR and Fresh Air UV has really made a powerhouse delivery system here in Canada. So when we look at Fresh Air UV, one of the first things we did a couple years back when COVID hit was obviously get the testing done. So, we went and we rigged up our chamber and had the test done, and we have those results to share with you guys. To be honest, the SARS-CoV-2 virus itself was not as hard to kill as some of the other viruses we've killed in the past. So in terms of the actual kill rate and the exposure rate, it's not that strong. When we look at things like adenovirus, it's around the same level of kill rate intensity to actually kill this virus. So our defining moment was when the N95 masks were being used considerably at the start of the pandemic, and Fresh Air UV was called to disinfect them. So we had these test chambers rigged up, and we actually had little mini fridges with UV lights, and they were disinfecting these N95 masks in between shifts because they were being used so frequently. So that was one of the kind of neat moments we